So let's look at this question now. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Okay, so Vivek is older than Kishore. Okay, some of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 by 6. Find their present ages. So see, this is a simple question, but the problem is that you'll find the main problem that I've seen with students is they are not able to handle the uh, adding fractional algebraic expressions. They find a lot of difficulty. But I hope I am able to explain you how to solve these kind of equations. So otherwise the question is simple. This is the step where most of the students will face difficulty. But let's start the question. So if Kishore, you start with assuming that Kishore is X, and because Vivek is 5 year older, then Vivek's age is X plus 5. This I hope is simple. So for example, if you have a friend who is 10 years old, and you are 4 years older than him, then your age will be 14 years. So I think this part is very simple. Now we come to the question. The question says sum of the reciprocal of their ages is 1 by 6. So I'll have to take reciprocal of this. So this will be 1 upon x. Reciprocal implies to flip. So for example, if 2 by 3 is a fraction, what will be the reciprocal of 2 by 3? It will be 3 by 2. Basically you flip. So for example, if 5 is a number, what is a reciprocal of 5? You flip 5. It becomes 1 by 5. So this is the meaning of a reciprocal. So this is the, once you take the reciprocals, so 1 by x and 1 upon x plus 5, then the sum of the reciprocals is 1 by 6. So our answer is 1 by 6. Now how do we solve this equation? Now before I go forward, I need to make sure that you understand how to I hope you are able to understand how to add two fractions. I've seen a lot of students who face difficulty in adding two fractions also. So this part you should be clear. If you're not comfortable with this, I recommend you to look at a lecture in a playlist. I have made a exclusive lecture where I have taken addition and subtraction of fractions. You can have a look at that. But I'll try to, quickly I'll try to explain. If you know how to solve this, then you can, continue with the question. You can skip timestamp is available. So one way of doing fractional addition is that you take LCM. The first thing is you take LCM. So 7 into 3 is 21. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. So 2 multiplied by 7. Or 21 divided by 7 is 3. So 5 multiplied by 3. So the answer is 29 by 21. But this is a method which I've seen that students don't prefer. They find it difficult. Usually I've seen students find this method to be more comfortable. Here again you'll have to find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM is 21. Now 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. So therefore 2 multiplied by 7. Numerator and denominator would be multiplied by the same number. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. So 5 into 3 is 15. Basically what we are trying to do is we are trying to make the denominators equal to the LCM. And then these two are what are called equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? Whose denominators are same. Once we have reached this stage, then it becomes very simple because if you have uh, these are called like fractions, because the denominators are same. So 21 is same, then like fractions can be added just like that. So 14 plus 15 is 29 by 21. See, like we add numbers, similarly the algebraic fractions are also added. So this is the method one, where x into x plus 5 is the LCM. Then 1 multiplied by x plus 5 uh, divided by x plus 5. So 1 multiplied by x. Again, this is one of the methods that student will find difficult. I'll suggest that you follow this B method, where you understand that the LCM would be x into x plus 5. First thing that you need to understand is that the LCM The LCM is x into x plus 5. This method is the same like we have done for numbers. See, adding algebraic fractions is the same as adding uh, numeric fractions. They are one and the same. So LCM is x into x plus 5. Now I multiplied the denominator by x plus 5. So I'll have to multiply the numerator by x plus 5. That is what I have done here. I have multiplied the denominator by x. So I'll have to multiply the numerator by x. So here the fraction becomes x plus 5 upon x into x plus 5. Here it becomes x upon x into x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 6. Try to understand this step. Whole of the question is simple. The only thing that you need to understand in this question is how to add the algebraic fractions. That is where the students face difficulty. But I hope I am able to explain it to you and you won't face any difficulty. So let's continue. Once I have reached this stage, now they have become like fractions. The denominators are same. You just have to add the numerators. X plus 5 plus x is equal to 1 by 6. So this will be 2x plus 5 upon x into x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 6. And then you have to cross multiply. So 6 into 2x plus 5 and x into x plus 5. Solve this. Then this is the quadratic equation which is found. Once you reach the stage of the quadratic equation, most of the questions will be done by splitting the middle term. You should know how to split the middle term, very important. So I have split the middle term like this, minus 10x plus 3x. And then I solve and I get two values of x. So one of the values of x is minus 3. Another value is 10. Now look carefully, what was our x? Our x was the age of Kishor. Age of Kishor can't be negative. So you'll have to mention here that ignoring x is equal to minus 3 because age can't be negative. So x is equal to 10. So what you have understood now is that age of Kishor is 10 years. And therefore age of Vivek will be 15 years. What are they asking? They are asking their present ages. So our answer would be age of Kishor is 10, age of Vivek is 15, and we can verify this answer. Let's take the reciprocal 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15. So the LCM is 30. So 10 3s are 15 2s are. So this is 5 upon 30 and this is equal to 1 by 6. And 1 by 6 is the correct answer. So adding or subtracting algebraic fractions. I made a separate lecture for this. Please have a look at that also. It is mentioned in the comment section. Please have a look at that because I've seen a lot of students struggling with it. Let's go to the next question.